Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your account on Netflix. So in order to delete your account on Netflix, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to log in into your account. For that, type in www.netflix.com and log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you have to click on your users in the top right hand side corner. Then you need to navigate to your account and press the cancel membership button located right in between. And you'll see your confirmation screen. Just click finish cancellation. And there you can go and cancel your membership. If you want to leave it there, your account will be deleted in 10 months. For those who want to permanently delete your Netflix account, you need to contact the support team, and you have to go to the help center from the main home screen, and you have to go to start live chat button. After that, you need to type in the information as I want to delete my account, and go ahead and select or submit the request, and they'll look into your matter within 24 hours. So that's basically how you can delete your Netflix account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.